In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use easy access in Teamviewer. By the end, you'll know how to open the app, get your connection details, and turn on easy access so trusted people can connect without you reading out a password every time. Start by opening the Teamviewer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load. If you haven't used it in a while, it may prompt you to update. Letting it update ensures you see the same layout and options I'm describing and that you have the latest security fixes. Once the app is open, look for the remote support section. This is where you handle incoming and outgoing support sessions. Clicking remote support brings up the panel that shows your device's connection details and options for secure access. In the Allow Remote Control area, you'll see your Teamviewer ID and a password. These two pieces of information let someone connect to your computer for a one-time session. Use the copy button next to each field to grab them accurately and only share them with a person you trust over a secure channel. Remember, the password is designed to change periodically or when the app restarts, which is a helpful security measure. If you're coordinating support, paste the ID and password into your chat or ticket so the technician can connect right away. Now let's make things easier for future sessions by enabling Grant Easy Access to this device. Turning on Easy Access links this computer to your Teamviewer account, so approved connections happen without exchanging a password each time. This is especially helpful if you routinely access this machine yourself or if a trusted teammate needs recurring access. When you enable it, Teamviewer may ask you to confirm the device and ensure it's associated with your account. Follow the on-screen prompts if they appear. Once activated, the device shows up in your computers and contacts list in Teamviewer, and authorized users in your account can connect seamlessly. This keeps access controlled and auditable while removing the friction of reading passwords over the phone. To recap, open Teamviewer, go to Remote Support, copy your ID and password from Allow Remote Control when you need a one-off session, and then enable Grant Easy Access to this device to streamline future connections. Keep your app updated, share credentials only with trusted people, and rely on easy access for secure, repeatable workflows. That's all you need to use easy access in Teamviewer confidently.